So do you need one Tesla Powerwall 3 or do you need two? What we installed over here is a Powerwall 3 with an expansion unit. So what that does is it doubles the storage capacity. It takes the storage capacity from 13.5 kilowatt hours to 27 kilowatt hours, but it keeps the output the same. So it's still an 11 kilowatt output, which means that you don't have to do major electrical work in the main service panel. You can stack 3 expansion units, then the total would be 4 times the storage capacity. So you could have Powerwall 3 in the front, and then you can have 1, 2, or 3 expansion units behind it, or next to it, whatever your space allows. So some of the benefits of having an expansion unit is that it doubles your storage capacity, and what that'll do is if there's a power outage, you can run for twice as long during the power outage, and then you also have twice the storage capacity to offset your energy usage at night. So now you're charging a 27 kilowatt hour battery system, and then at nighttime when your solar is no longer producing, that solar energy that you stored in the battery can now be used to offset your home electrical usage. So how do you know if you need an expansion unit for your Powerwall 3 or if you need a second Powerwall 3? The difference between the storage capacity and the power output, the power output is basically what it can output all at once. So if you think about it in a water analogy, the storage capacity is almost the size of the tank, and then the output is the size of the hose. With a single Powerwall 3, the output is 11 kilowatts. The maximum input that you can get from the solar is 20 kilowatts. So if you have more than 20 kilowatts of solar, then you will need a second Powerwall 3 to enlarge that input to be able to get more solar stored. But then the benefit of having either a second Powerwall 3 or having an expansion unit is that you're able to store more energy that you can use later on. A second Powerwall 3 will also give you twice the output. So you will be able to output 22 kilowatts versus 11 kilowatts with a single Powerwall 3. Having a larger solar system will be beneficial if you have higher energy consumption, especially if you have an electric vehicle. That's going to be your highest consumption. So the electric vehicle will draw more than any of the other loads in your house. If that's the case, then you may want to consider a larger solar system so that you can offset more of your electric vehicle usage. And that would also then bring a second Powerwall 3 into play if your system is larger than 20 kilowatts, so that you have the input capacity for a larger system. So if you have any questions about solar battery storage, you can take a look at our website, augustroofing.com, or you can feel free to give us a call.